Climate change. Causes, effects, and solutions. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns, mainly caused by human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. Here's a simple breakdown. What's changing? Temperatures are rising globally, global warming. Rainfall patterns are shifting. Some places get more floods, others face more droughts. Ice is melting in the Arctic and Antarctic. Sea levels are rising due to melting ice and warmer oceans. The causes. The main causes of climate change are activities that increase the amount of greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere. These gases trap heat, making the planet warmer over time. Here are the biggest causes. 1. Burning fossil fuels. Coal, oil, and natural gas are used to produce electricity, run cars, and power factories. Burning them releases carbon dioxide, CO, and methane, major greenhouse gases. Factories and industry. Factories often burn fossil fuels for energy. Many also release greenhouse gases directly during production, for example, cement and steel making. Transportation. Cars, trucks, planes, and ships burn gasoline or diesel. This creates CO and other pollutants. Deforestation. Cutting down trees. Trees absorb CO, so when they're cut down, more CO stays in the air. Burning forests. Common inland clearing releases stored carbon. Agriculture. Cows and sheep produce methane when they digest food. Fertilizers used in farming release nitrous oxide, another powerful greenhouse gas. Waste and landfills. Trash that decomposes in landfills creates methane. Some waste is burned, which releases CO. Energy use at home. Heating and cooling homes using electricity and hot water all often rely on fossil fuels. Human activities, especially burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests, and intensive farming, are the main causes of climate change. The effects of climate change are wide-ranging and impact people, animals, and the planet. Here are the main ones, grouped into simple categories. Rising temperatures. Earth is getting hotter overall, global warming. More heat waves, very hot days that can be dangerous for people, animals, and crops. Extreme weather. Stronger storms like hurricanes and cyclones. Heavier rainfall in some places causing floods. Less rain in other places leading to droughts. Melting ice and rising sea levels. Polar ice caps and glaciers are melting. Sea levels rise, which can flood coastal cities and islands. Some animals like polar bears lose their habitats. More wildfires. Hotter, drier weather makes forest fires more common and intense. Fires destroy homes, wildlife, and forests. Harming animals and ecosystems. Some animals can't adapt to the changing climate and may go extinct. Coral reefs are dying because oceans are warmer and more acidic. Habitats are being lost or changed too quickly. Affecting people's lives. Food shortages because crops don't grow well in extreme weather. Water shortages from droughts or polluted water. Health problems. More heat-related illness, disease spread, and breathing issues from pollution. Homes lost to floods, storms, or wildfires. More people may need to move. Climate refugees. Climate change causes heat, storms, floods, fires, and damage to nature and health. Everyone can help by saving energy, using clean power, protecting nature, and changing how we live and lead. Use clean energy. Switch from fossil fuels, coal, oil, gas to renewable energy like solar power, wind power, hydropower. These sources don't release greenhouse gases. Reduce pollution from cars and planes. Walk, bike, or use public transport more. Drive electric vehicles if possible. Fly less when it's not necessary. Save energy at home. Use energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs. Turn off lights and electronics when not in use. Use less heating and air conditioning by insulating your home better. Protect forests and plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide (CO), a major greenhouse gas. Stop deforestation and start reforestation. Support sustainable farming and logging. Change the way we farm and eat. Eat more plant-based foods and less meat, especially beef and lamb. Reduce food waste. Only buy or cook what you need. Support farms that use climate-friendly methods. Reduce waste, recycle, reuse, and compost when possible. Avoid single-use plastics. Choose products with less packaging. Support green technology. Invest in new technologies that help capture carbon, like carbon capture and storage. Develop better batteries and energy systems. Raise awareness and support climate action. Educate others about climate change. Support laws and leaders that protect the environment. Join or support climate organizations.